Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Class 5 English Unit 2 Flying Together. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? This is a story of a flock of wild geese. They lived in a very tall tree in the deep forest. Let us read the story. Deep in a forest there stood a very tall tree, and its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. The tree was a home of flock of wild geese. They felt very safe there. One of the geese was very wise. One day he noticed a small creeper at the foot of that tree. Then he warned all other birds about it and asked them to destroy the creeper. Otherwise it creeps up and becomes thick and strong. The other geese asked, "What of that? What harm can a creeper do to us?" The old bird again warned other birds about the dangers. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for a hunter to climb up and kill them all. The old bird again advised, "Destroy the creeper while it is still young. Now it is tender, it can cut easily. Later it will become hard and it will not be able to cut it." The young bird forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became, until it was as strong as a thick rope. And in one morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. "Don't make a fuss now," said the wise old bird. "Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all." They asked the old bird to help. "Listen carefully," replied the wise bird. "When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away." In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. "They are all dead," he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. Here are the new words. Geese, a large web-footed bird. Plural of goose. Flock, a group of birds or sheep. Creeper, plants that need support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Creeper, plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Winding, go in circular or spiral course. Muttered, spoken in a low tone. Flapped, move wings up and down. Make a fuss, pay a lot of attention or be worried. Questions and answers. Question number 1. Where did the geese live? Answer. The geese lived on the top of a tall tree in the forest. Question number 2. Why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Answer. The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because it could help a hunter to climb up the tree and to kill them. Question number 3. Why did the geese cry, "Help, help"? Answer. The geese cried for help because they were trapped in the net by the hunter. Question number 4. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? Answer. The hunter threw them out of the net one by one on the ground. Question number 5. Why did the geese pretend to be dead? Answer. They pretended to be dead so that the hunter would not harm them. Question number 6. Describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. Answer. Last year, when I was in 4th class, I learned an important lesson before the examination. My cousins came to visit Delhi and we spent 2 days together. I got no time to revise for the test and I got very less mark in the examination.